Ambulance team, what happened? Oh no, there is an emergency. Luckily, Super Truck is here to help you. Lights are red. Stop. Amber, take care of the medical emergency. And Super Truck, you have to stop Amber Robot. Oh no, with the accidents, the Amber Robot has lost control. Super Truck, time to transform. Gary, move! Are you okay? You need to stop him, Super Truck. Let's stop Amber Robot before it hurts someone. Massimo, Amber Robot is driving without control. You better watch out. Super Truck, Amber Robot is still dizzy from the accident. Amber Robot, stop! You're safe now, Massimo. Don't worry. Super Truck will stop Amber Robot from causing more chaos. Don't forget to look left and right, Walter. Now you can cross the street. Move back, Walter. Amber Robot is out of control. Super Truck, Walter is in danger. Super Truck is here to protect you, Walter. You're safe now. Let's help you to cross to the other side of the road. Be safe, Walter. Super Truck still has a robot to catch. Oh no. Amber Robot is driving toward the canal. Amber Robot is unconscious. She can't hear you. You need to intervene, Super Truck. Phew! That was close. You can't drive in this condition, Amber Robot. This has to stop. Time to use the ST-3000. The tow rope will bring Amber Robot back on track. Very close. You have to try again. Super Truck, you should warn the cars of the danger. That's working. Amber Robot is driving toward a dead end. That's working. You're safe, Amber Robot. Let's get you some medical care. Now that you're fine, you need to apologize about the mess you caused. It looks like she feels guilty. Do you forgive her?
Good morning, Super Truck. What was that? Why are there 3 tigers in the city? Quick, Super Truck, before the bridge goes up. Look, the tigers have split up. You better transform and help Gary. Of course! As a helicopter, you can fly over the canal. That's where Gary fled from the tiger. Look, here they are. Don't worry, Gary. Super Truck is on the way. Super Truck to the rescue. I think you scared the tiger away. Oh no, the tiger fell into the canal. You have to help him. Oh no, the tiger will drown. Perfect. Now let's pull it out of the canal. You better take the tiger to the forest where it will be safe. Well, it looks like one tiger is safe. There are 2 left in the wild. Let's see if you can find the other 2 tigers. Look there! He is also afraid of you. Super Truck, help him! Oh no, it fell! Good job, Super Truck! You did it! Let's take him to his friend in the forest. There's only 1 tiger left. Look here, Super Truck. It's the last tiger.
Hey!
All the tigers are afraid of you, Super Truck. It's in the tunnel. It doesn't want to come out. You have to make it come out. But how? It seems you have an idea, Super Truck. What are you going to do with that? I don't understand. Okay, now I understand. The tiger is going to chase the laser dot. What a great idea! Perfect! You did it! You are so smart, Super Truck! And now it's time to take the tiger to the forest. Good job, Super Truck! They are all together again. Goodbye, tigers!
Hey, Lily, are you dropping the babies to school? Something wrong? Oh no, those mud puddles are huge. Are you going anyway? Yikes! You aren't equipped for all these mud puddles. There's still time before school. You should go to the car wash first. Hey, Tom. Car City's favorite school bus needs your help. The babies have school soon, but look at Lily's state. Okay, Tom. Shall we begin the inspection? Those are some thick chunks of mud. Wet mud and leaves is not a good sight, even for the babies. Your headlights are barely visible under all that sand. Ready to start, Tom?
Yay!
Okay, Lily, let's give the roller arms a chance. The babies seem to be enjoying this. Nice. The thick mud chunks are gone. Ready for some soap? Lily, you got lost in all the bubbles. The babies are barely visible. Now, a good scrub will work wonders. This one feels good, right? There you are, babies. Now you can see outside. Great. Wet mud, sand, and leaves are all gone. Shower time. This one should be relaxing. Whoa! Babies are having the time of their lives. Almost there. One more shine from the squeegee. Enjoying the view, babies? Lily, you're now as good as new. Are you ready to drop the babies to school now? Where is Tom rushing to? Ah, jumping wheels. This will help Lily dodge the mud puddles. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Now you can comfortably jump through the forest. Very impressive. Babies are loving the ride. Those jumping wheels kept you clean. Before going anywhere, always dress accordingly. Hey, Tom. You're doing bubbles? Hey, baby. You need Tom's help? You want to join the Avengers team? Okay. Let's see what Tom is going to invent this time. Awesome! You're now Iron Man. Come on, guys. Let's save Car City. Slow down a bit. You're really fast, and Tom can't keep up with you. Whoa! It attracts every metallic object in the area. Look, Edna needs your help. The construction team wants to move these pillars and bricks to construct a new building, thanks to your super magnet. You're doing great. Be careful. You shouldn't move this much with your super magnet. Baby Rocky is stuck to the magnet. Stop moving, Baby Iron Man. Oh no! Baby Rocky is taking him into the air. Oh, this is too dangerous. I can barely watch. Baby Rocky is too scared to land. Tom, you need to find a solution. Oh, you have a great idea? Great. A telekinetic ray. Amazing. Now hurry, Tom. There's no time to lose. You need to go back down, Baby Rocky. Tom is here to save you, Baby Rocky. You can trust Tom. It worked! Do you still want to be a superhero, Baby Iron Man? You're using your superpowers to help Carrie and Walter? It takes time to control superpowers.
Dr. Zig, what are you planning this time? Hi, Matilda. Enjoying your break? Is that Super Truck? Super Truck, there is a robot thief in the city, and he looks just like you. There he is. Oh no, Matilda thinks you are the thief. You are under arrest. Matilda, the Super Truck is innocent. Planning to cause trouble again? Super Truck, you need to stop the robot and prove your innocence. Laser beam? This should help you open the cell's door. The hero is free again. Time to stop the bad guys. Let's stop the robot. Matilda, you need to stop the ice cream thief. There he is. Oh no, the robot is getting away. And Matilda is coming after you. Matilda's siren makes the cars clear the way for her. That's working! Cars are clearing your way! Keep up, Super Truck. You're very close to catching the bad robot. Nowhere to go. Hope he knows how to swim. Matilda, Super Truck was trying to arrest the real thief. I think Matilda doesn't believe in your innocence. Super Truck will find the way to stop you. Remember that, Dr. Zig. Everything okay, robot? Super Truck is on the wrong side of the bars. Dr. Zig helping Super Truck? That's weird. Have you seen a ghost? The robot is trying to harm Dr. Zig. The robot can't reach you there. You need to turn the bad robot button off. Let's repair that robot. You still have a thief to catch. Yes, Matilda, there are 2 Super Trucks, and you were arresting the good one. You can't run forever. Not so fast. And Super Truck won't let you go. You're trapped. No more misbehavior. Going somewhere, Dr. Zig? You still have a lesson to learn. Amber! Amber Robot, are you on an emergency call? Oh no, someone is hurt around here. Good call, girls. Amber Robot will help the crying car, and Amber will take care of the call. Wait, Dr. Zig is the one who was hurt? Watch out, Amber Robot! It's a trap! Oh no! Dr. Zig is mind-controlling Amber Robot! Watch out, Super Truck! Dr. Zig is mind-controlling Amber Robot! Oh no! Amber Robot pushed John, and now he's stuck in concrete! We'll deal with Amber Robot later. Let's get John out of there, Super Truck! A drill! The perfect choice for breaking concrete! Well done, Super Truck! John is safe now! What was that? Super Truck, quick! Now Walter is in danger! Did Amber Robot do this, Walter? You have to stop Amber Robot before she hurts more people, Super Truck! Did you find something, Super Truck? There's Dr. Zig! And he has Amber Robot's remote control! Super Truck, you have to destroy that remote control before Amber Robot hurts more Car City citizens! Wait a minute! I didn't mean you should crash into it! Slow down, Super Truck! Phew! You really scared me there! I see! You just wanted to scare Dr. Zig so he would let go of the remote! A great plan, Super Truck! Oh no! What's happening to Amber Robot? She lost control! Super Truck, you have to stop her! I think you'll need the ST-3000 this time, Super Truck. Good idea! You can stop the robot, Amber, with the tow rope. Bullseye! Now slow down so you can stop her. Come on, Super Truck, you're so close! Yay! You stopped Amber Robot, Super Truck! We'll have to bring her to Tom's garage for some repairs. Trying to escape, Dr. Zig? Don't even think about it. Well, Amber, take good care of this patient. It looks like Dr. Zig is having a taste of his own medicine.
What a lovely day for fruit picking. Frank, are you okay? Oh no, he's turned evil. Watch out! Someone help! Evil Frank is shooting slime everywhere. Leave them alone, evil Frank. Oh no, Ben's stuck in a slime cube. Ben needs your help. Time to transform. Fire truck to the rescue! Ben is free. Now, let's find Frank. There's more slime over there. Barry also needs your help. Good job, Super Truck. But we still need to find Frank. Oh no, Chili's also stuck in slime. Can you help him? Frank is putting everyone into slime cubes. You have to stop him. There he is. Sonny, hold in there. Help is on the way. Sonny, drive into the maze. Maybe you can hide. Evil Frank is confused. Hopefully he won't find Sonny. Sonny, watch out! Beware of the slime bullets! Hold in there, Sonny! Oh no! Someone help! Super Truck, help quick! Enough with all the slime, Evil Frank. Watch out, Super Truck! Great water defense! There are too many! You better get away. Quickly, you have to do something before he puts you in a slime cube too. Oh yes, good idea. It's time for the ST-3000. The telekinetic ray should do the trick. Time to give up, Evil Frank. Ready, Super Truck? Now! Take that, Evil Frank! Good to have you back, Frank. Good job cleaning it all up. Wow, it looks so festive. I wonder what is going on here. Hello, everyone. Are you preparing for the annual Car City Festival? Go get them, Super Truck. Oh no, what's going on here? Here you are, Super Truck. Your evil twin is causing chaos in the city. There's the party hat thief. Super Truck, it's time to transform. A race car. Good choice. It's the fastest car in Car City. You've got him, Super Truck. But what's that? Evil Twin can transform into you, Super Truck? You've got to stop him. Don't let him get away, Super Truck. Oh no, the traffic light is turning red. You will have to stop. Hey, that's not allowed. Oh, hello, Massimo. Are you also preparing for the festival? Oh no, your way is blocked, Super Truck. Now Massimo thinks you made the mess. Maybe best you transform to clean the road, Super Truck. Super Bulldozer to the rescue! There's Dr. Zig, and he's wearing the party hats. You better hurry, Super Truck. A job well done. Time to stop Dr. Zig and save the festival. Hey, Gary, are the roads all clean for the festival? Dr. Zig has transformed Evil Twin again. What are they up to now? They got away again, and everyone is angry with you. Great job. Now, stop that thief before the festival starts. Are you making your special cupcakes for the festival, Carrie? Oh no, there's Dr. Zig with Evil Twin. They are stealing the cupcakes. It seems Evil Twin is really enjoying those cupcakes. Now there's 2 super trucks? Carrie is confused. Dr. Zig has broken his antenna. Now Super Truck's Evil Twin is back to normal. It's not working. Now's your chance, Super Truck. Use the ST3000. Wow! Good shot, Super Boomerang. But what about the party hats and the toy trumpet? No way out for you, Dr. Zig. Now give back those party hats. Yippee! The festival is saved. Everything is ready for the festival, but isn't something missing? Yes, Super Truck stopped the thief and brought back the party hats.